Hi, this is a webinar on the import and export features in the Setup tab in the ThinkWave system. First, click on the Setup tab. Down at the bottom, there's an Import-Export functions. This allows you to import your school data into the ThinkWave system, as well as exporting to a CSV format for offline backup purposes. Start by clicking on the Import Students. You can specify which grade level this import applies to. You can also enroll students into previously created groups by marking the checkboxes here. And here you can select your CSV or comma-separated value file here. If you have an Excel file with all of your student information, then you can export that as a CSV file. There's a maximum of 250 students that can be imported at one time. If there is specific information that you have the data for that you also want to import into the ThinkWave system, then you should create a custom field for that data before importing. For instance, if you have a data field in your Excel file for the date of birth, then go to the Students tab, then create a new custom field by clicking on the Customize button at the top right, then click New Custom Field. Name it Date of Birth and click Save. We go into more detail on custom fields in another video. Now go back to the Setup tab and click on Import Students again. Once you select the file, click Next. And here you have all of the values that have just been imported from that file. Here at the top pull-down, you can select the custom field that you had just created, as well as any other relevant field. You also have the option to skip the field if it's not data that you want to import. You must select the field before continuing. Click Next. Now you have the option to check over all the data that you're importing. You can also select to skip the row by clicking on the checkbox to the left. You still have the option to change the data once it's imported. Once you've confirmed all the data you want imported, click Finish and it will automatically import all of the data into the ThinkWave system. Now go back to the Setup tab. And here is the Export features. They allow you to keep an offline backup of all your data. Each one works the same. Click on Export Day Attendance, and it will automatically generate and download a text file that's actually a CSV file. You can export attendance by day, attendance by class, grades, and custom field data. And these are the features in the import and export functions in the ThinkWave system. Thanks for watching.